So I'm just gonna get right into it. I start off by cutting the aloe vera leaf into pieces because it's a very big leaf. There are a lot of different ways that people choose to cut their aloe vera leaves and get all the gel out, but I personally like to split it in half and scrape all the gel out. This is a very messy process, so be ready to get your hands dirty. Also, aloe vera smells very nasty. So after I get all the aloe vera out of the leaf, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it up. Before I put it to blend, I'm gonna add some vitamin E oil and some rosemary oil to stimulate my scalp when I'm applying the gel. The aloe vera does get a little less gooey and more watery when you blend it, and this is why I mix it with flaxseed gel, because the flaxseed gel is much thicker and it gives it a nice gel-like consistency when you mix it with the aloe vera. So to make the flaxseed gel, I take about a half a cup or a little more of flax seeds, and I add 2 cups of water. You put this on the stove on medium heat and let boil for about 7 to 10 minutes. It depends on the consistency that you want. The longer you leave it, the thicker it gets, and also the harder it is to strain. So once you see it starts to get thick and mucousy, then you can take it off of the heat and begin to strain it. You want to let this cool for a little bit because it is a hands-on DIY, so you can burn your hands if you don't let the flaxseed gel cool a little bit before straining it. This is also a messy process, so get ready to get your hands dirty. After you use the flax seeds once, you can refrigerate them and use them again to make gel. But the gel won't be as thick as the first batch. So you can see the consistency of the flaxseed gel is a lot thicker than the aloe vera gel consistency. Now, the same way I did for the aloe vera gel, I'm going to add some vitamin E oil, and I'm also going to add some castor oil to the flaxseed gel. Then you want to mix it all together, kind of like whisking eggs. Now you want to make sure you get all the oils distributed throughout the entire gel. Now in this container, I'm putting half aloe vera gel and half flaxseed gel in order to get that nice smooth consistency. And then mix it well so that it's all even. And then you're all done. I packed up the rest of the aloe vera gel as well as the flaxseed gel for my next use. I also use them as face masks, so you want to keep these refrigerated or they will go bad. You can keep them for up to 2 weeks. 2 weeks is the longest that I've kept it without it going bad. Adding rosemary oil helps because it's a preservative as well as vitamin E oil. So that helps to keep it fresher for longer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know in the comments if you tried this out.